Are you tired of spending hours in long immigration lines when returning to the United States? Do you dread the tedious security checks at airports? Then it's time to consider the Global Entry Program. In this video, we'll be covering: what is Global Entry? Who is eligible? Benefits of the program, how to apply, and how to use it at the airport. So, what is Global Entry? Global Entry is a program designed by the U.S. Customs and Border Protection to expedite pre-approved, low-risk travelers through customs. It's a program that gives frequent international travelers a shortcut to the long lines at customs when they return to the U.S. from an international trip. Who is eligible? Primarily, U.S. citizens and lawful permanent residents can apply to the program. Citizens from certain countries, such as South Korea, Germany, and Singapore, are also eligible. Here's the full list. Reasons you might not be eligible include not passing the background check or providing false information on the application. What are the benefits of Global Entry? Once you unlock Global Entry status, it's good for 5 years with an easy renewal process. Global Entry includes TSA PreCheck, which costs $78 on its own, and gives its users the ability to access priority TSA security lines where they can keep their shoes on and leave their laptops and liquids in their bags in order to get through the security checkpoint more quickly. Keep in mind, both the Global Entry and TSA benefits are only accessible in U.S. airports. This special treatment does not extend to international airports. Finally, Global Entry allows you to skip the customs lines. It provides ease of returning home from an international flight by avoiding long customs lines and return paperwork, significantly cutting down on wait times when re-entering the U.S. How to apply? Create a TTP account. TTP stands for Trusted Traveler Programs. Create an account on their website. Next, complete the application. Fill out the application form on the TTP website. This is where you will pay the $100 fee that will provide you access to the program for 5 years. Once you've submitted your application, it could take anywhere from a few weeks to up to 6 months for it to get processed and approved. So it's best to apply as soon as possible. Schedule an interview. After your application is approved, you'll need to schedule an interview. The best option is to use Enrollment on Arrival, EOA, which allows Global Entry applicants who are conditionally approved to complete their interviews upon arrival from an international trip. This way, you can avoid needing to schedule an interview and just walk up to the enrollment center at the airport. To find an interview location near you, visit the CBP website. Most likely, the interview location will be located in your nearest international airport. For the interview process, you'll need your passport and documents that provide evidence of your residency, such as your driver's license. Interviews usually take no more than 15 minutes. You'll get your fingerprints taken and your photo for your ID card. How to use Global Entry at the airport? When you land in the U.S. after an international flight, look for the Global Entry signs as you exit your gate. Once you arrive to the Global Entry area, walk up to one of the available kiosks, scan your passport, and place your fingerprints on the scanner for fingerprint verification and complete a customs declaration. Remember to look up at the screen as it will be taking your picture to verify your face as well. The kiosk issues the traveler a transaction receipt and directs the traveler to baggage claim and the exit. And that's it. Global Entry makes returning to the U.S. a breeze.